Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to see CS50P t-shirt. So here what we are going to do is in a file called as shirt.py implement a program that expects two arguments, okay. So the first argument and the second argument both should be only in JPEG PNG file to open and save. Okay, so what we are actually doing is we are going to write a program like once the user inputs an image, that image should be replaced with CS50's t-shirt. So this is the basic program which we are going to try to do. Okay. So here they have given us lot of help and lots of easy instructions so that if we just follow these instructions itself, we can just complete our program. So they have given us something called as pillow, which is nothing but the actual library which we are going to use here. So with the help of this pillow library, we can open the file and we can fit the particular image with the help of this pillow. We can fit the size and then we can just save the file and also create an image. Before that, we are going to also have some of the system exit queries like two command line inputs, and the thing should be only in .jpg, jpeg or png format, and then the input's name should be of same extension of the output name, and the specified input should not, if the input does not exist, it should be coming out of the program. So it is very easy program, guys, I assure you. Maybe it is seen to be complicated, but if we follow these instructions, it is very easy. So before that, we are going to do the before you begin so that it will be easy for us. It is quite a different thing. So one day I did not create any directory also to you to show. Okay. So here clear, and then first I'm going to make a directory called as shirt, mkdir, and then I'm going inside the shirt directory and code shirt dot py. Okay, these things we already do. After that, to make a file called as shirt.py, you will need to write a program. Be sure you run this particular one so that we can have the image of the shirt which we are going to do. Okay, so we have got the image. Can you see this? So this is the image, like this is the image, and here is the face which we are going to replace it. And then to download shirt.png, you will also run this particular thing. Okay. We have got a zipped folder of Muppets. Then we are going to unzip it. Okay. So we have got reader defaults. Like if you can see this particular image, instead of this particular shirt, we are going to replace this particular shirt. That is the basic task we are going to do here. Okay. So before that, we are going to do all these argument conditions. So let us copy from here all the things. Okay, copy and paste it in our shirt.py, and here the argument is going to be 3 to input and output, right? So it is going to be the 3 argument, and if the argument, so here we are having many files, like the argument should be ending with dot this one, or this one. So what we are going to do is, instead of having this ends with, we will have some other thing called as, so both of this, after checking both of them, what we are going to do is we are going to have something uh, to check what is the particular um, file extension. For that, in a hint, you can see os.path.splittext will give you the file extension. You can now determine the file extension using this. So I am going to use this one. File extension is equal to os.split text, and what are all the things we need to split we can write here. So we are having two arguments, right? First we can just save both of them. So from file and to file. From name and to name is equal to sys dot argv of 2. Sorry. Okay. Now with the help of this file extension, we are going to get the file extension of both of them. Okay. So from and comma to file extension. Okay. Both of them split text of name comma over split text of copy to name. Okay. So this particular thing will be of -1 because the last variable in the array will be the file extension. Okay, let us check till this whether it is working. So we can try printing and seeing all these things. So we will put this one. All these things can be going inside cut. Okay. So now let us run this particular program and check. Sorry. Python py. What are the things? Before one dot jpg space after one dot jpg. Sorry, I just okay. Now let us check. Yeah, we have got both .jpg. We have got the answer for from file and to file. Now it is very simple. So first we need to check if text file is going to be in a particular thing, which is nothing but these three things. Not in this or to text file is not in this. I am going to write system.exit. So what is my exit answer? Let me check. Invalid output. Sys.exit invalid output. Okay. Now else this is not equal to text file. Then also self dot exit. What should I exit with? Input and output of different format. Okay, I guess these things are clear now. Now after all these checkings, what we need to do is we need to start with the try block. What we are going to try? We are going to try to open the shirt file first. So we are going to try to open shirt is equal to. So here they have given us the easy ways how to open the shirt and all in the close. If you can see here, for opening the shirt, this is the code shirt.open. So before this, I need to pip install pillow. Okay. After this, I need to also write one second. I think we need to also import this particular pillow, I guess. Let us just try importing with the help of here. Let us check the documentation. A basic installation. We have done pip install pillow. Yeah. After this comes the Python support. This also we have done. Okay. I think we need to import this particular pillow from PAL. You can see image is not found. For this particular image, we can just import PAL, from PAL import. Import what is that image, correct? And then what are the other things I need to import? And image ops for doing the operation inside the image. If you can see, image ops is also needed. Okay, so we have opened the particular image. After that, we are going to also open the from image, like the image of the particular Muppet here. Image is equal to same image dot open, but here the output will be the from file, which is nothing but this particular thing. Okay, after this, what am I going to do? I am going to write size is equal to is equal to, so what size? Shirt size only. shirt dot size. After that, I need two images equal to is equal to I'm going to write image OPS of we need to fit right dot fit. What is the image we need to fit? From image and then size. Comma size. After this, we are going to paste the two images inside the shirt. Two image dot. Where am I going to paste? I'm going to paste shirt, comma shirt. Then I'm going to save my two image. Where am I going to save? I'm going to save in this particular team. Okay, I think I have done with this, and we should not forget to expect our block where to say file does not found error. Okay, now let us run the program and check. Okay, let us see if we got the after one image. Yeah, we have got it. Perfect. Now let us try to run the check CS50 and see whether all the conditions are working correctly. I hope you have understood this particular program. It is just dealing with this PIL below one. If you go through this, we will get all the what are all the things we can do with this PIL fork. Okay. So since we have all these things available in our hint itself, I just implemented this hint. See, paste shirt, image open, everything. Okay. Okay. Shirt given the output size. I think we have written any print statement maybe. No. Okay, now I have actually found what is the problem. The problem is here we have T file and F file, right? It's like a from file and to file. But in the splitting, we have split it both for from file alone. We did not split for to file. That is why the problem has arrived. So instead of here F name, if I put T name, everything will work fine, I guess. Let us check. CS50 check. Yeah. So this is a very silly mistake, and I guess many of you will go through such silly mistakes. A common because it took so much time for me to understand what is the mistake in this particular code. Yeah. Yes, all green, and that's it for today, friends. I hope this video was very helpful, and bye bye.